I love the high arc and chrome finish on this Moen kitchen faucet. But if you're not a chrome person, this faucet also comes in a gold finish as well as a black finish. The other thing I like about this faucet is that it's a single handle faucet that lets you control the temperature of the water as well as the intensity of the water as it flows out. And if you have a double sink, you can easily swivel the neck between the two sinks. This faucet also comes with a pull-down spray nozzle, which I love to use when washing a basket of vegetables or fruit. I also use it to rinse the sink after I'm done doing the dishes. The black buttons on the sprayer lets you control how wide you want the water to spray. And at the same time, you can pull the nozzle further down and swirl the water around to get a good thorough rinse. And you can do all of this with just one hand. And by the way, this faucet was a DIY installation. Easy peasy.